so I can't detonate the bomb, which I hope it even goes off. I feel like I'm gonna do it and it's gonna be like, oh, it was a dud. That would suck. Did you ever beat Fallout 3?
Oh yeah. I think only once though, maybe twice.
Alright, well, don't spoil it. I just got to the point where I literally find my father. It's like, yeah, let's go. Immediately get back to the pump. It's like, oh, things are going good. The water purity's going good. The Enclave show up, he kills himself. Like, dude, just cooperate with the Enclave for a little bit. So now I'm back to on my own.
Mm-hmm. That's tough.
Okay, I gotta relearn how to play this game.
It's been a minute. Where's TP at? Is that it over there? Over there maybe? That's
It's
the
so
only
hard to
place
tell
I,
with how shiny
yeah.
and bright it is. Okay, yeah, I see sparkles over here.
That's the only place I've seen it spawn on this map.
It might be up. I think it's up.
Who, what, where, when?
Yeah, it's right here. I'm
Yeah.
starting it. Is he on the ground?
He's
Yep.
not up here. He ain't up
Okay, I
here,
wish we found a
partner.
mountain.
Yeah, that'd been nice.
No
You
idea
got
what he's
it.
doing.
You got it. I'm doing something really important up here.
What's that? There you go. There you go.
Nice, nice, nice.
That's too easy.
Missile launchers? No way.
Already.
Yeah. I really wish we had found a mountain.
Yeah, imagine two of them already.
Hmm. See ya.
Le bounce. Le bum.
Pew 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 pew. What was our time? That one felt kind of fast.
It was
We
like 2 minutes.
under 2 minutes? Oh,
Oh,
3.
under 3.
Sheesh.
We slow, we slow.
It was a little quick, but not really.
Mountain. And it's right over here too, portal. Alright, there you go.
Dang it. I need to stop killing stuff over the edge.
You drop an item.
Yeah.
Oof.
Ooh, I see her.
She dropped something? Let's go. That's too easy.
What do we get? What do we get?
Shields.
Oof.
And Queen's Gland, which is always nice.
Oh yeah, that is nice. Did you pick up the gland? Oh, those are guillotines, homie. Yeah, you can take everything.
I didn't. I literally walked on the left side of them. What is? My lord.
It's all good. It's not that big of a deal. Although, at least one guillotine would be nice. So if you see another one, let me know.
I don't even know what to say.
That's all good. I know it was an accident, maybe. I can see your face. You're still shell shocked.
I was just, I don't know. Well, at least we're sub 6 minutes to the third place.
Oh yeah. Let's get out of here. Money, money, money. What's that? Stealth kit? Kjaro's banned? Alright, you definitely need to pick that up, even if you lose your missile. Oh, you only lost
One
a...
guillotine.
Oh, there's a scrapper here. You can get multiple.
I'm going for it again. Oh, there's a scrapper?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll get rid of all my guillotine. The
Maybe keep one.
Whoops.
Oh wait, I guess you don't have that option, right? It
And
just
they just
it
scrap
just
them,
scraps
but
all of them. Yeah, I forgot about that. My bad.
sorry, we got 4 Kjaros banned.
Yeah, that's nuts. Yeah, one of these days I'll find the teleporter, but I'm slow as butts.
I'll take care of them.
Yeah, yeah. You don't even need me. Grove Tender, yeah, you're gonna one-shot this dude. Holy... You did almost one-shot him. That's crazy. He's dead. I've
Hey, we
been
got
running...
ukuleles. You can grab
Hey.
both of them.
You should take one. That's gonna be like your only answer for crowd control. I already have one, so that's all good. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
I suppose. Alright, that's too easy.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm so slow. He's just swinging around everywhere.
I'm freaking Spider-Man. If Spider-Man was good. Ooh, are we going for
Batty?
the red?
Batty?
Are we going for the red item?
Oh, heck yeah. Oh, I found 2 more. I think that's it.
Come
Yeah.
up here. Here's a hoof up here for you. If you want to come all the way up here.
You can grab it.
Alright, jump down.
Alright, I'll go up there then. I'm a little bit kinda close. Yeah, you just work
Worship
it.
unit's about to die. Alright, worship unit's
Dude,
dead.
you are insane.
This is insane. Alright, I'm ready to kill this punk.
Yeah, you can go ahead and hit it. I still have to make my way over to ye old Tesla coil, but whatevs.
Oh, yeah. Greater Wisp. What? It's seriously just these guys.
Mm-hmm.
These are mad annoying guys, too.
Yeah, maybe if you couldn't one-shot them.
Oh no.
Huh.
I threw myself off.
Finally, I got to see a boss. No
This
way,
work?
dude. Below the wisps. That's pretty sick.
Alright, are we fighting the boss or...
I mean, you are equipped to one-shot the boss, so...
The only thing that sucks is when it takes away our power-ups. It's like, now he's gonna have 6 Kjaro bands.
That's true, but I can immobilize him. And you get items back pretty fast. You want it to be a circle. Circle's the shape of the moon, you know.
Oh, yeah. Bruh, magma worm.
Your one weakness. Or is it?
Nah, he is. It is my weakness. I don't think he's affected to the great lengths of the Kjaro band to him.
Oh, it's either these guys or the what are they called?
The Godfather dude or whatever.
Yeah, the grandparent.
I'd, I'd rather fight that guy. No cap. Alright, you got him.
No, I killed the other one.
There was two.
Yeah.
Wait, did we do a mountain?
No, there's just two of them.
Oh. Alright, let's not die to one of those flying, whatever they're called.
Right, we gotta stick
In the
together this
next
time.
stage.
Gotta watch each other's backs.
I'm dipping. Immediately. You see this thing in my right hand?
I'm leaving.
See these things in my right hand?
What things? Those gems?
Nah, that's my left hand.
I can
My
see.
right hand.
Can see your right hand.
But my right hand has 6 bands.
Then you got a lot of fingers.
Oh my.
Gonna have to start wearing them on your toes here soon.
Hey, hold up.
Yo, you're so
Slow
slow, dude. You're okay. You're
Oh.
the tortoise versus the hare.
Oh shoot.
Except I'm a fast tortoise.
So I take the Dubsky then?
No, I'm a fast tortoise. You're the hare.
Oh.
The hare loses.
Gosh darn it. Catch this one.
Oh, dang. I was mistaken.
Alright, so that's Pandora, isn't it?
Hmm.
That's the planet Pandora. Think there's some vaults on there?
Yo, 3 of them over there, 2 of them over there, and 1 of them back there. We only
Let's
need
go for
4
3.
though. Yeah, let's hit the 3. I'll meet you up there, I guess.
Hopefully you're not on the other side.
Oh, I'm on the other side.
That'd be a little taco.
Oh yeah.
It
We
almost
can
didn't.
meet in the middle. I'll come to you. I'm a little afraid, if I'm being
No,
honest.
we should just walk in there.
Hey, it's all you. Just so you
It's
know.
all me.
Yeah.
I always choke in these situations.
If it's a choice between me dying and you surviving, you take that choice, okay? I love you.
Alright, let's go. This dude's gonna spit some nonsense about how he's sad, blah blah blah. We're gonna give him the middle finger and we're gonna kill him.
Alright, he's immobilized. Look at him Naruto run at us. Don't die on me, P. Don't die on me, P! Get out of there!
Like I said, I always choke in these situations. Oh my lord. Hey, pick up this 6 Kjaro band for my body.
Mm-hmm.
I let the team down. I let the whole family down.
I'm afraid. You can't touch me. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, I get a band? I get a Kjaro's band?
Nice, there's... For a second.
Dang. Dang, man. Well.
I'm so upset.
That's a good try.
Like, it just hurts. Like, killing that robot to get the red item in literally 1 hit. It's like, insane.
Yeah. That's tough, man.
And then literally just dying immediately to the bus. Yes, bravo.
It's alright. We'll get it next time. I'm gonna go feed Clay. I'll talk to you later.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye.